HotMiniDrama app. So here you see it on Google Play Store on Android. It's not on iOS. So yeah, you can see that it's not available on iOS. And yeah, so here it's available. The main thing about this app is that you can earn revenue by watching short dramas. So you do not need to pay, but you can also earn just by watching short videos. Pretty cool concept. And they claim to have instant withdrawals, withdraw as much as you earn. But the thing is, if you just read through the comments, you can see 2.5 average rating, and a lot of people are actually super pissed off because in the fact you cannot withdraw. So you're just watching their content, you're watching ads, and they ask you to watch ads, watch more ads. And in fact, you cannot withdraw. The withdrawal threshold is set to $300, and the closer you get, the less you earn. So you really need to put in a lot of time into the mini dramas, which, yeah, and then watch more, and eventually you just literally cannot withdraw it. So at the moment, this is just what it is. So as you can see, 1-star reviews, people cannot withdraw.